We're going to show you how to make healthy shamrock pancakes for St. Patrick's Day.
Next man, Sagan and Loki.
Sagan eats alien food.
Sagan, what are we making?
We're making spinach pancakes.
Spinach pancakes for St. Patrick's Day.
Yep.
Yep, okay. Let me, I'm gonna hand you the ingredients.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Where are you?
Hey, heard that.
There?
Go up. Yeah,
Okay.
right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Now we're gonna have the mom make some pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay, pancake day.
Yeah.
Okay, go take a break.
Yay! We made healthy spinach pancakes. Kids, you can do it!
Are you going to eat it?
Yes.
I bet it's good.
Yeah. Oh, and look what shape it is.
I know, it's 3 hearts and a stem.
Yeah.
That's a shamrock.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. You going to eat it?
Yes, I'm gonna put it syrup on first.
These are really good with applesauce too.
Oh, and do you know what's in the cup?
What, the milk?
That cup.
I know, it's milk. I'm a cat. I
Yeah.
know there's milk. I can find milk a mile away.
Yeah.
You gonna have some pancake?
Yeah.
Start eating it on the shelf.
Love it.
Whoa, that was a big bite. That was a big bite. Look at the size of that bite, but it's good, huh? Oh yeah, Pancake Day.
Yeah.
We should do this every month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was I supposed to say?
We made healthy St. Patrick's Day pancakes out of spinach. Kids, you can do it. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's Loki. Thanks for your likes and comments and shares. Don't forget to have your parents hit that notification bell when you subscribe so you can get more kid-approved homeschool and after-school ideas from Sagan and Loki. And so your parents can get their me time. Let's be friends!